Round 2 rail fanning. March 2nd, 2025. You saw back there those turkeys back there. Nice day for a walk cigar. Like I said in the last video you saw yesterday. This is out in August. Really cold yesterday. This behavior, but beautiful day today. But back in here, this is in St. Louis Park. You got those big long ones right there. I got 2 of those one time down at University of Minnesota, and in my backyard, got a bridge I built. So here we go. Yeah, this is Milwaukee Junction up here. Goes to residential, everything else. So kind of fun. I've always wanted to walk in the spur, see where it went. So now I know, right? So. Oh my God, I love to go for walks. I'm the kind of person is you look for a trail, walk on it. So. That's too bad. This used to be a crossing area. Probably bummed out. You probably go across it. So it probably went across into there. You can't, so you could cross in the neighborhood. That was kind of probably too bad. See how you could go over there and come and go over to here. That would take you to Excelsior Boulevard. So they blocked it off. That's too bad. That's probably, so he probably thought he could come down here. That guy just turned around. That was kind of nice, but they took it out. They went over in St. Louis Park when I lived over there for Colorado, and you could get away over there by the high school. It's kind of cool. Yep, Milwaukee Junction. Yeah, it cruises all the way that way, down, snakes around, kind of at an angle, and then it cruises into St. Louis Park. So let's turn around and go this way, go across the bridge, shall we? I do like this camera, this Action 4. I like my GoPro 10, but this can I get a lot of videos out of when I go to any of those shows. Just DJI does a really good job on the behavior, so. Beautiful day to be alive today. Hanging out, smoking a cigar. Walking on the trail. You can tell this used to be a crossing. It's a shame they took it out. But what happens if someone gets hit by cars? They don't pay attention, you know. So. Because the other channel is getting close to being monetized, a couple of podcasts. I can tell they've done some rail. Saw a good biography on Carnegie. He was into the rail business, and when they found up in Hibbing pellets, he was able to build rails up there. So very good at Carnegie, like he said. I'll say it again: a man dies, all his money's a fool. Great to make money, it really is. I think it's a great thing, but how you spend it, what do you do with it? You want to die broke with a cigar in your mouth, smirk in your face, and one sock and dirty drawers. That's what I want to do. All my money will go when I'm done. We have a living will. So Just a beautiful day for rail fanning. Yeah, Canadian Pacific. When I'm heading like out from St. Paul out to like to Wayzata or Minnetonka, once in a while I'll see a train. We used to live in St. Louis Park. You'd come by like in the morning. So, you never know when you're gonna see one. Yeah, a little rail fanning. Never hurts, right? Go across a bridge. They look pretty good, the rails do. I don't know why they don't, when they do these, I don't know why they don't cut them up while they're here. Or move them out. I don't understand that. They're not any good. Why they go along? It's like when you're working at Perkins, a restaurant. You clean as you go. You know, I learned that behavior, so I understand that. When they're replacing that stuff. I know they send the ties overseas, and anybody that has watched my videos following the green line, those concrete ones they have, they're going to break and they're screwed. But it's like 40, 50 degrees today. I could have without my gloves, but I just didn't trust it. But yeah, I was at that rail museum you guys saw. I love that place. I love those small little trains. That's so cool. When I was young, so you guys saw that one. Got that out of the way. It was fun. So you gotta be careful here. Break an ankle here. See, there, this stuff right here, it's all metal. Could be recycled. Recycled, reused. Yeah, it's Cambridge Business Association, so you guys saw that video where I was walking on the snow a couple videos back. I was in the area over here, so oh my goodness. My bad, look at this. My bad. Never hurts. But it's beautiful. Look at that clear sky. See that plane up there? Sun country up there. So there's a train spur. They back it in. As Danny says, we're on the high rails. He's really cool. You want to listen to somebody, like I said before, distant signal. He's the GOAT. He explains everything in detail. The engines, it's really kind of cool. And I've always been fascinated with trains. How much freight they move. It's kind of like a prep cook when they're in their yard. Like I've prep cooked before, not a lot, but how they put trains together, all that behavior. My dad was a switchman, all that stuff. It's a lot of work these guys do. So it's kind of cool. But Another day on the high rails is a good day. I got the sports show's coming up here in 2 weeks. That'll probably be the ones up next. So there is a cemetery diner I want to go to off of France Avenue. Yep. The way freight got around, it's still the cheapest way to ship freight. So this goes over to there. This one does so. I still haven't found like money. Someday I'll find money. Hopefully I don't find a dead body. So anyways, guys, we'll give you one more here. We'll go over, I think Highway 7, I think. So I got more garbage here. As you kind of tell right here. So anyways. So. All right. On to the next one.